God.
G
G
O
O
O
O
G
G
L
L
E
E
Gulu gulu.
Hey, Grandma, can you grab me another lemon? Sure. Oh! Oh, my finger! My finger!
Something's fucking wrong with you, you dickless motherfucker.
And print.
What are you doing?
I'm printing.
No you're not.
Why? Am I low on paper or ink or something?
No.
Then why can't I print?
I don't feel like it.
Okay, please. I have a paper due tomorrow.
Oh, that's so sad. It's so sad because it's not gonna be on time. It's so sad you're gonna get an F.
Okay, just this once. Please, just print it.
Fine.
What is this?
Сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет на-на-на-на-на-на-на-на, я сегодня напьюсь.
Okay, so I just got this sticky hand thing in the mail, and I'm gonna go slap the guys with it. Hey, Doss. Oh, hi, John. Hey, Sam. Hey. Hey, Bloom. Oh no.
Jackie!
Raz, dwa, trzy.
Are you eating the cheesecake without me? I will give you $100 to whistle right now.
Can you not do that? It's super annoying.
Oh yeah, my bad.
How are you looking? Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. How about from the front?
Yeah, no.
Good?
Yeah, good.
Okay.
Oh my
Alright, go to your mouth.
What the?
Oopsie.
Fucking.
How was your sleep?
You didn't just shave my fucking head, did you? I fucking
no.
told you the only thing. Holy shit. You're joking, right? That's not my hair.
Yeah, no.
Oh my. No, you didn't just fucking shave me.
No.
Oh my. What fucking
Should I
hairstyle
finish?
is this? I just got my hair back to normal. I just had a reverse mohawk for a month.
And I just need to finish it.
Alright, stop!
Oh.
Stop! No! No! I feel like it's best just to embrace it.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Mama! Say hi to TikTok.
It's coffee time right now. It's not Miller time. It's coffee time. Why would you do that?
I just want to say good morning.
Morning.
Si sretna.
You fucking kidding me, brother?
I need you this, babe.
What is it?
Try it.
The hell is it? Ugh! The fuck is...
But the last we heard from him today, where he was taking questions, was in the Oval Office when he was trying to explain away
ऑटो में टकली डंगर्स प्याजी लोगे गुगली सी टप
Alright, you guys. Let's see how this goes.
Hey, Natalie. Natalie. She's got headphones. Hey, I turned the Hoover off ages ago.
Cobb, you f***ed it up. I looked why it was even off.
Hey, I have TikTok now.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
No.
So how do I do it? Do I just sing?
No,
Do I-
you put that.
Cause I'm bored in the house. Cause I'm bored in the house. Why else ain't I bored in the motherfucking house?
Mom, you put that.
Oh, you put the song in the back?
On the door, I'm gonna make this shit work.
Is that for real? Wait, did he seriously do that?
Me dá sequência de peixe, mas quero que aguente meu sentadão.
I got a baby, but I'll still help you. Oh my god. What? You got what?
Excuse me, ma'am. I just hit a dog in the cul-de-sac here out on the road. I didn't know if it was yours.
Oh my goodness, what did it look like?
Having kids is great, but you gotta learn how to de-stress. A lot of people have asked me how I de-stress. It's pretty simple, actually. I just come over here to my door and I just...
Hot boyfriend check. I checked, he's fucking ugly.
A, E, I, O.
Sani, slušaj ovo. Si li znao da kad staviš kečap i staviš sol iznad njega, odnosno po njemu,
Dobro.
da počne kečap bit vruć?
Dobro.
Znam!